Alright guys, today, whoop, where's the truck at? There she is. I'm going to do the same thing I did 3 months ago. I'm going to get under there, take the rear apart and see how bad it actually is. What sucks worse about this is I got to get a whole axle assembly, because last time the threaded adjusters were just destroyed. I mean, unless I can take the wheels off and the axles off and see if it can be used. Steve said it can't, so I'm going to go with what he said. He's the man who did all the work and they look destroyed. But the actual threaded adjusters that you screw in were destroyed. I don't know how bad it was in the inside. He said it was non-usable, but if I can get it off, I'm going to. If not, I'm just going to wait and get a whole axle assembly and rebuild from there. But I want to get under there and see how bad it actually is. I'm not going to show you how to take all the bolts off. I already have a whole video on that. I'm just going to, after I, jack it up, drain it, stuff like that, I will show you how bad it is. I'm not even sure how bad it is, but we're going to go from there.
All right, well, I took it apart. Came apart a lot easier. I don't know where exactly it broke, but I do know there's little teeth right there. I don't know. I just took it out, and the teeth were at the bottom here. It might have been in the pinion, but I can't tell if it's the spider gears, but I think it might have been the pinion. Not too sure. But, yeah, I don't know. I really have to take a spin, I guess. That looks like it's chipped off down there. I don't know if you guys can see that from the pinion. Hold on, let me see if I get a better angle here. I don't know if that's a chip. Hold on. Let me see if I can feel it. Not there. I can't really feel it and hold the camera. Gears look good, but I don't know if it's actually in the diff. I am not too sure. But surprisingly, this thing isn't shattered. It was like when I was driving it, it was popping back and forth. It felt a little bit normal, but then, like, you brake or accelerate, it was a bang bang. So I don't know what that is or how it could, be anything. Yeah, it looks like there's gears chipped right there. Yep, right here, chipped off gears. Yep, right in the spider gears. I see it now. It's not much. I mean, yeah. Well, as you can see, there's the culprit. Or see, get a better view. Use this. Yeah, you can see it. That's what's chipped off and broke. I used the recommended oil and everything, and I had the same luck as most guys. I probably put more passes on than most guys in a certain amount of time, but Yukon rear, was supposed to be good, and I installed this. Well, Steve installed this, and after it all got installed online, everyone's like, I can't believe you went with them. They're trash. They're known to fail. They're this. They break this and that. So, and the oil, as you can still looks very clean. It's very clean oil. I just did it 3 months ago, if that. I think it was 3 months ago, and I uploaded the last video, and that's on the changing the gear oil out and stuff like that after the first 500. And I actually changed it again after, I think, another 400. I forget what the exact thing, because I had metal shavings and I cleaned it out, and there was, first time came out metal, second time did not. So, you know what I mean? I don't know if I'm going to be taking the axles off today. It's Sunday. I don't really feel like it. I'm not in the mood. I'm already upset as it is. But yeah, there's the culprit. Actually, it's not as bad as I destroyed the last one. I'm not going to lie about that. Not as bad as the last one I absolutely mangled on Steve, and he was like, what the hell did you do? So, alright. Well, let me see what I can, maybe I might take some tires off and see if I can get these axles out or something, and maybe go from there.